They have a different paint now. They have gray.
The gray ghost, right?
Navy gray, yeah. No, because see, the black people didn't fly them, so I want the one.
Throw a red tail on it.
Well, there's a guy that was a red tail that flew these. His name was Chappie James, and I want to get one and make it like Chappie James. All right, let's do it. As James Brown said, "Do it to it, flew it." Some do it to it, flew it.
Take it off.
Timer cleared.
I'm ready. Let's go. Whoa! Hello.
Flaps up.
My gear is stuck.
Is it? That was not planned, but it looked cool.
That was not.
You did that on video?
You good? Yeah. What? Seriously, Frank?
You don't even have the right. Damn, dude. Yeah. Three of my gears.
I'll wait for you and make sure everything's okay.
Dude, I need to change the gear after that experience.
I think we should try to fly
All right. Well, what are you gonna do? I'd come in. Okay.
Can't get it up, Frank.
Time remaining.
Oh my God.
I do. So, Frank, tell me when you're down, Frank.
Alright, I'm over the front. I gotta give me another F-5.
Hey kid, when do you want to sell that yacht?
What the?
What was that? Something's up with your gear. Something's up with your gear.
I don't want it before that, but
On the runway.
Yeah, I saw the gear like.
Frank, I'm right over the runway, so I won't hit you though. Woo!
Time remaining. 1 minute.
that's it.
It's a 30C pack too, guys. It's nothing fancy.
It's just a total aerodynamic plane, man. That thing is falling, Ray.
It's ugly. I gotta fly it fast.
Seconds.
Can I fly with you guys?
No.
I don't want to fly with you.
What happened, Frank?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Okay, fast low pass from the right.
1. Time expired. Gear down.
Landing from the left.
Landing flaps.
Here?
Flaps up.
No, Frank did it first. Frank was the first one to do it. Frank, you were the first to do the FMS. And then I flew mine with yours, and I was like, oh, hell no.